Oh man, it never ends. Things are always breaking. Broken shutter? Easy fix. Let's go. So, I walked upstairs and someone gifted me this without telling me. If this happens to you, don't worry. There are these plastic pegs and sometimes they break. This one I was able to easily pull out with a nice empty hole. This side, you can see this peg is also still in. This, I can't pull it out with my fingers. A couple of things to try. I'm going to make a little starter hole and gently drill with a small drill bit. A bit wobbly. But all I need is a quick hole to get the screw started. I don't want to go too deep, just enough to get a grip and pull the plastic piece out. This plastic tab was in there good. This didn't work, so now it's time to drill the piece out. But before we do this, I purchased these spring-loaded Plantation shutter pin replacements. They're about $5 for a 4-pack. I'll leave a link in the description how to get these. It tells you the exact size hole you can drill. In this case, all I need to do is drill a 1/8 hole. So that's what I'm going to do. Not too deep, just enough for the pin to sit fully in. A little test, maybe a little more. Nice fit, not too tight and not too loose. Now, as you can imagine, the large end goes in and the spring load pin just needs to align with the other hole. Just push it in and align. That's it, just like new. Until it's broken again, but at least no worries. You can fix it. I hope this helped, and if it did, let me know by throwing up a like, and find out what that subscribe button does when you press it.